Hello, English learners. Welcome back to Storytime on Everyday English. Today, we have a new story for you. It is our 10th story. This story is about a little bird and a big lesson. The story is called The Day Lenny Learned to Fly. Please listen very carefully. Let's learn about trying and succeeding. Let's start our new story. High in a big, tall tree, there was a small nest. In the nest lived a family of birds. There was a mommy bird. There were 3 baby birds. The baby birds were named Lenny, Finn, and Pip. Finn and Pip were very brave. They learned to fly. They flew out of the nest. They flew over the trees. They flew in the sky. Chirp, chirp. They were so happy. But Lenny was different. Lenny was a little afraid. Lenny looked down from the nest. It was very, very high. He saw the ground far, far away. Lenny's wings were small. He did not know how to fly. He felt a little sad. He wanted to play with his brothers. He wanted to fly too. One morning, Finn and Pip flew away. Lenny was alone in the nest. He felt sad. Mommy bird came back. She brought a worm for Lenny. "Mommy, I want to fly," Lenny said, "but I am afraid." "My dear Lenny," Mommy bird said, "it is okay to be afraid, but you must try. Your wings are strong. You are brave." Lenny looked at his wings. They were small. He looked at the sky. It was big. "How do I fly?" Lenny asked. "You just need to jump," Mommy bird said. "Your wings will know what to do. I am here. I will watch you." Lenny felt his heart beat fast. He was still a little afraid, but his mommy's words were strong. He decided to try. Lenny walked to the edge of the nest. He looked down. He closed his eyes. He opened his wings. They were ready. He jumped. Whoosh! Lenny went down, down, down. He flapped his wings. Flap, flap, flap. But he did not go up. He was going down. Uh-oh! Lenny landed on a soft branch. Thump! He was safe, but he was sad. He could not fly. He tried, but he could not. Tears came to his eyes. He felt frustrated. Mommy bird landed next to him. "It is okay, my little one. The first try is not always perfect. Let's try again. You are so close." Lenny looked at his mommy. He saw her love in her eyes. He took a deep breath. He walked to the edge of the branch. This time, he was more confident. He looked at his wings. He remembered his mommy's words. He jumped. Whoosh! He flapped his wings. Flap, flap, flap. This time, he flapped them stronger. And then, something amazing happened. Lenny went up. He was not falling. He was flying. His little body went up and up. He flew over the trees. He flew toward the sky. He saw his brothers. Chirp, chirp. They were so happy for him. Mommy bird flew next to him. "You did it, Lenny. You did it," she chirped. Lenny was so happy. His heart was full of joy. He learned something important that day. It is okay to fall. It is okay to be afraid. What is important is to try again, to be brave, not to give up, and that the best feeling is when you finally succeed. The day Lenny learned to fly was the best day of his life. What do you think about Lenny's story? What is a new thing you want to learn? What helps you when you feel frustrated? Think about your own small and big successes. That was a wonderful story about the day Lenny learned to fly. We hope you enjoyed listening to our 10th Storytime episode and learned new words about family, feelings, and courage. Remember, listening to English stories every day is a fantastic way to improve your English understanding. Keep practicing, keep listening, and keep enjoying our stories. If you like this episode, please give us a big thumbs up, subscribe to Everyday English for more great stories and lessons, and share it with your friends and family. Thank you for listening, and we will see you in the next video.